Hiya everybody. And just look out of the sun. I'm at the south side of the Magdalene Golf Club here, which you can just see. And down there is the beach by the lighthouse. I'll show you around. I'll show you this side, and then we'll go to the north side of the golf club, and I'll show you the Berwick beach at that side. So let's get going. So from up here to the left, just over here, there's a coastal path. You can see someone on it at the top end there, and that'll take you into Scotland. That one. And then to the left here, we've got the lighthouse. You can just see it in the far distance there. We will go down to that. What I'm going to do today is show you each of the car parks. There's 3 car parks for different areas. So as you can see, this one up here is if you're taking the coastal walk. And there's spectacular views from up here. You see the lighthouse in the distance there, and then the beach. So let's head on down to the beach. Hi everyone, so that's us arrived at the second parking area, and we'll have a walk down to the beach. So let's go. So this is the second parking area. There's a field there. I've seen people having picnics in the summer months. Such a nice day today. I thought I'll come out and show you just how nice Berwick beaches are. Here we are at the beach. So this beach is a bit of a secret to tourists because of the road you have to come down, which I'll show you when we go towards the pier. Not many tourists know this one is here. As you can see, it's mostly locals walking the dogs, but it's a really, really nice beach. It's definitely worth a visit. You can see the lighthouse there in the distance, and you can see the cliff tops there that we were just at a moment ago. So yeah, if you visit, definitely worth visiting here. So we'll head now back to the third parking area where the lighthouse is, and we'll check that out. Let's go. Yeah, so we've arrived at the other parking bay just near the lighthouse. So I'll show you around. So this is the road I was talking about, why a lot of tourists don't always know about it. You have to drive down here, and you can just see it's quite a precarious road. So you literally, it's pier road. You can walk here off the main street, off through town, but it's pier road, and yeah, it's definitely worth the walk. It's a very long walk. The pier alone is 877 metres, which you can see just there. Here's the car park. The pier, as you can see in the distance, is between the River Tweed and the sea. It's 13 metres, maybe a little bit more in height. It's very, very tall. You can see it's very popular with walkers. And it was built in 1826. So yeah, it's just a great place to come and visit. Good park in any three of the parking bays. Go to the beach, go along the pier. So yeah. I'm afraid though, guys, because I do have ongoing ankle issues and niggles, I'm unable to walk to the end of the pier. But I do have some drone footage for you, which I'll play now for you. And we'll meet up again at the beach at the north side. See you for now. Hi everybody, so we've just arrived at the north side of the Magdalene Golf Club, which is just behind me there. That coastal path that was down on the south side where we've just come from, that's just here, so you can see it just here, right there, and it comes all the way up here and then round. I'll show it you quickly. To get here, you just come across Beach Road, which is near the train station. So let's show you around. So this is that coastal path, and it goes straight up there and straight across there. So across in front of the caravans. As I said, it'll take you all the way around into Scotland if you follow the coastal route, just up there. We're going to go down here, which is down to the beach. I believe this one's called Fisherman's Beach, Berwick. It's the Berwick Holiday Park beach. So it's just below. If you were staying there, this is the beach. That's there. So it's got a park here. So a nice little play park. There's a big slide. And we'll carry on down. So this beach is backed by rocks, red rocks, and it's sandy and rocky beach. So it depends on the tide. I think we've caught the tide just going out. There's quite a few steps that come down. Steps there. There is some flat, but then there is steps to finish it off at the end there. So it's a really, really, really nice area. North Beach or South Beach, like I said, this one is the one tourists will know of, and that's because Berwick Holiday Park is just behind us. But the coastal walk, if you're able to do it, is fabulous. It's a really, really, really nice walk. So it's been lovely having you all again. Subscribe, like, give us a comment if there's anywhere. I am doing a few more areas, but give us a comment if there's you're coming to visit and there's somewhere you want me to maybe visit. Berwick Upon Tweed, Northumberland, and I'll see if I can get to visit them. Not everywhere it will be possible, but leave us some comments. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.